A creative purse advertisement flyer can capture attention before customers even see your products in person. Let's begin by opening Canva and selecting Create a Design. Search for flyer and choose a modern advertising template with a clean layout and bold headline area. Upload your purse images and place your featured product in the most visible section of the flyer. Next, replace the sample title with your promotional message and add a short description that highlights the purse's style, material, and unique features. Now create a section for pricing, discounts, or exclusive offers. Use Canva's Elements tab to add elegant icons, decorative shapes, or subtle fashion